This video will show you how to install Universal Security Instruments carbon monoxide detectors. For the plug-in alarm, start by inserting the batteries into the battery compartment and replacing the battery cover. Press and hold the test button to test the alarm. Next, select a standard non-switched wall outlet and rotate the pins outward before plugging it into the outlet. Verify that the indicator light is solid green. To install the battery-powered alarm, install the batteries into the compartment. Then, choose your mounting option. To mount using the included 3M tape, attach the bracket to the alarm. Next, adhere the tape to the back of the bracket before removing the other side of the tape. Firmly press the alarm to the desired location. Press and hold the test button until you hear the alarm sound. To mount your alarm with the provided anchors, hold the bracket against the wall and mark the desired position. Then, drill 2 holes on those marks before inserting the wall anchors. Secure the mounting bracket to the wall. Be sure not to over-tighten the screws. Next, slide the alarm onto the mounting bracket. Press and hold the test button until you hear the alarm sound.